Hello guys, in this video I will show how to open Outlook in Windows 11. So click on this search icon and search here Outlook. Then click on Outlook. If you're not found here Outlook option, once you search here, so it's mean you don't have Outlook in your PC installed. So open your Microsoft account and there you have to log in. Then click on subscription and here you will find all your product. So install Office. Once you successfully installed Office in your system, so you will be able to open any Microsoft product. So this is the simple and basic learning to know how to open Outlook. Thanks for watching.